Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing something really exciting. We're diving into the world of mobile photography to bring a new level of functionality and style to your Android device. We're going to show you how to install the highly sought-after Motorola Camera 7.3 port on any Android 10 Plus phone. This isn't just any camera app. It's a stable, feature-rich port that brings the best of Motorola's camera experience right to your fingertips, regardless of your device's brand. What makes this port so special? Well, for one, it's based on an older, incredibly stable version of the Motorola Camera app. This means you get a reliable experience without the constant bugs or crashes you might find in some other ports. Secondly, it comes with an improved and better new UI. It's clean, intuitive, and just feels great to use, making it easier than ever to snap that perfect photo or record a stunning video. So, if you're ready to upgrade your photography game, stick around and let's get into the details. The first and most crucial step is to download the Motorola Camera 7.3 port APK file. Head to the video description and download the APK file. Open your File Manager app. This might be a pre-installed app called Files, My Files, or something similar. Navigate to the Downloads folder. You should see the Motorola Camera 7.3 APK file right there. Tap on the file. Your phone will bring up a security prompt asking if you want to install the application. Go ahead and tap Install. When you open the app for the very first time, it will prompt you for several permissions. This is completely normal and necessary for the app to work correctly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed the Motorola Camera 7.3 port, giving your Android device a fresh new camera experience. We truly hope you enjoy the stability and new user interface this port offers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps us know that you want to see more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We're always here to help, so if you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below. We read them all, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.